Well, so thanks to both of you guys for being here today. I feel like, jurors might be listening to a lot of that. And Josh, you're hearing MMPI, which we kind of know what that is because we cover this stuff and probably took a psychology class in college or whatever. But that's a lot for the jury to kind of take in and think about and break down, isn't it?
I've cross-examined and examined experts like this before, and I'm having a tough time keeping up with what they're talking about. And if I am, I know that the jurors are struggling. And that's a problem, but it's a problem more for the prosecution than I think it is for the defense. Whenever you get into these war of experts and you're really into the weeds on all these technical terms and people are starting to get lost and confused, confusion usually always tilts in favor of the defense, right? Because if people end up saying, I don't really know, well, then the default position should be not guilty. You don't have enough evidence. I think the prosecution needs to bring it back to the idea of the simple question of, fine, he had some mental problems. Fine, maybe he needed to seek some therapy. Mm-hmm. But does that mean he wasn't able to appreciate what he was doing that day? And if that answer is no, then they should be able to convict him. If he understood what he was doing despite all these issues, they should be able to convict him. And the prosecution needs to remind them of that.